I've got a piece of merbau here, which is softer than the spotted gum, so it'll crush to the shape of those cuts, and it's a contrasting colour, which is what I wanted. And I'm just whacking it in my jig here, and I'm pretty much just guessing the angle, and seeing how I go. So I reckon that much. Now I'm just going to slide that up to my blade, and I've got to line the top of the blade with that there so that I zero out on it, and again just eyeballing it. Stupid fun. Just eyeballing it. It looks like around about there ought to be good. Let's see how that fits. So this one did come out a little bit skinnier than I had hoped for, so it's actually going to be a good fit for this hut here. Plenty of smashing down room on that. Now just back to 90 degrees, and because that face has already got the angle, that's going to be the right angle for me to do the other side. You beauty, mate, you beauty. I'm just going to drill to relieve the splits, or whatever you call them, I don't know. And that will stop the wedges splitting the timber right the way down the leg. Oh. Hey.
Well, good morning, my faithful followers from the tube. It's the morning after. The glue up went really well. Did you see how it got jammed on one leg, and when I tapped it here, the whole thing just went shoo. That was extremely satisfying. Thank you for being there and sharing that with me, because nobody else was here. Those guys who promised to come and help me, they weren't here. You're probably watching this video now, and I just want to tell you that I still love you, even though you weren't here. I did hurt my back and have to lay on the floor and take very strong medication, but I'm walking again today. Yes, anyway, so now I'm just really happy that we're at this stage, and I'm going to trim these flush and sand them. So make yourself a cup of coffee. If you're on the toilet, make yourself a cup of coffee anyway. Listen, there's no shame in it. We all take YouTube iPad to the toilet. That's why Amazon make toilet roll iPad holders. Have a coffee. Thank God that it's not smell-o-vision. And let's get cracking.
Come on guys, it's a workbench. Yep, I did regret doing that, but thanks for watching anyway.